Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, western Dawson County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Gordon County in northwestern Georgia, Pickens County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Barlow County in northwestern Georgia, until 15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:15 p.m. Night time, a severe thunderstorm is located over Hinton, Oregon, 10 miles west of Jasper, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, Waleska, Talking Rock, Fairmount, Nicolella Falls State Park, Sequoia Lake, Glen, Salicoa Valley, Blaine, Lake Tamarack, Ellis Latham, Talmadge, Revis Mountain, and Funkhauser. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunder